Hey everyone, a few months back I installed an STI style wing on my WRX here. And when I installed it, I did not sand or prime the holes that I drilled, nor did I apply any silicone or caulking around the holes, so there's a possibility water's getting in. I don't see any signs of rust on the inside. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Let's go ahead and get started. So what we'll do first is take our socket with the extendo on here, 10 mil. And I got all the bolts off without losing any of them, which is a great thing. Now let's see if this thing comes off and what's underneath. So this really isn't bad at all. I don't see any signs of rust. No rust on this side either. And as we look underneath, I don't see any problems with rusting on any of these bolts at this angle. So even though there's no signs of rust, while I have this done, I might as well do some of this job. I'm gonna take the sandpaper, it's 100 grit, and get it in these holes and just sand a little bit away. And rather than spraying all over my trunk, I'm just gonna spray some on here. And I got this side done as well, just letting it dry. Click, click. Now they're all tight. Let's watch this wing bounce.